This is NET-223 routers. It was a bad day. Again, we had snow and ice, so some of the students couldn't make it in. But anyway, we went on and we started talking some more about static routes, and we got a good share of the lab for static routes done in class. Now the students need to do the second lab in this chapter, chapter 2. They need to do the second lab in Track It Pacer on their own, and they need to complete the work as far as going through the curriculum for static routes. The first example we looked at, we said if we had two routers connected by some provider, and we just picked Mason City and Cedar Rapids, it would make sense to do this with static routes. Put a route in here, that points to this network, put a route in this router that points to this network. Then those routers would be able to forward the routes. Then we looked at an example here in which initially we looked at just this, and here it would make sense to create a default route from each of these routers going to the headquarters. So here, instead of pointing at a specific route, we can just, any traffic that doesn't belong down here, we can just default that out. Same thing's true over here. Now this router, it can default to the internet, and then in this router we can create static routes. A static route going out to this network, to this one, and so forth. And of course we'll talk more about dynamic routes later on. So they can just those routes going out. Then we worked quite a bit on the lab. And so that's it for now.